Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can reset home screen layout on the Apple Watch 8. First, let's go back to the watch face by pressing on the crown button from the watch face. Then press on the crown button, and in here tap on the settings icon. Next, in settings you want to go down and tap on general, then swipe up to go all the way down and tap on reset. Next, swipe up and then tap on reset home screen layout, and then tap on reset home screen layout. So tap on reset home screen, and that's it. So that is how you can reset the home screen, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.